Hi Cavalier fam, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, non-alcoholic cocktail recipe, the Cold Brew Julep, created by Haley Charles in Denver, Colorado. For this recipe, you will need cold brew coffee, sugar, fresh mint leaves, ice, and bitters for garnish. We start by adding a sugar cube directly into the glass, along with 10 or roughly 10 fresh mint leaves. Next, we want to muddle this so that our sugar has been broken down, and we're going to rough up those mint leaves quite a bit. Next, we add ice. And top with cold brew. Now we want to give that a good stir and incorporate the sugar and the mint into the coffee. No need to rush here. Take your time. This is about enjoying the process as well as the drink. Next, we will top with bitters. Add a few dashes and garnish with fresh mint. And there we have it, the Cold Brew Julep. Cheers!